Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create and manage sprint boards on Monday.com. Now, the first thing you want to do is to have access to the Monday app, either from the App Store or you can simply get it from the web by simply typing in www.monday.com, and you will be redirected to an on-screen prompt that can help you create your account. And as soon as you're done with that, you will be also redirected to an amazing homepage like you can see right now on your screen. As soon as you're done with that, you want to head straight to creating and managing sprint boards on Monday.com. The first thing you have to do afterwards is to simply create a new board specifically for managing sprints. You just have to just create a new board, and you just head straight to the left hand side of your screen and just simply click on that plus icon right there by the left side of your screen, and you can see that there's a drop down of other options. You have new project, new portfolio, new board, new doc, new dashboard. Choose from templates, import data, apps, new form, and new folder. All you have to do simply is to click on new board, and you automatically will be redirected to where you can have your board created. Now we're going to call this board sprint or manage sprint. You can just feel free to name it whatsoever you want to. I'll just name it as manage sprint. Manage sprints. And here you go. Underneath this, you can see the privacy of this board. Either it's main, it's private, or it's shareable. And you can also select what you're managing in this board, whether they're items, employees, leads, creative talks, budgets, campaigns, projects, clients, and custom. You just prefer to just make your desired selections and create board. Simply click on that and you have your board all created. Now the next thing you want to do is to customize your columns based on your sprint workflow. Okay, now these are your tables. You can see this is your workspace, this is your table, you're managing your sprint. What you want to do is to customize these columns. These are the columns, these are the columns. You can see all the columns here. You can customize them by simply using this add column button here, and you can add as many buttons, as many columns you want, and you want to add based on your workflow. Okay, it can be backlogs, it can be to do, it can be in progress, it can be done. You just simply add as many columns as you want to, and as soon as you're done with that, you can add tags or user story to the backlog columns. And I can also create a sprint timeline by setting start and end date for the sprint. You can see the date format here. You can just set your start date and end dates right here on this date icon, and all of that. You can see all of that sorted out, and that's basically it. From this date icon, you can set your dates and to ensure that everything is sticking strictly to the time frame. All right, the next thing you also want to do is to be able to track your progress, and that's what the status column is all about. It's helping to show your progress rate of the sprint to ensure that okay, things are moving the way they ought to. You can see more working on it, done, stock, and all of that. You can have that all categorized and all of that. That's just to help you when you just come into your board, you can see what the progress of things are even without having to do so much. You can also assign tasks to your team members from this person's column right here. You can click on this to add as many persons you want to add. Your admin, you want to add the HR, the creatives, all of them, your team members all together. You can just add them via this, and you can also invite other persons to join to join your board by simply clicking on this invite link at the top right corner of your screen, and you can have that all sorted out. Your notification too has to be turned on, so you can have a notification when any project, when anything is changed in the board, so everyone in the theme is carried along. Now this is exactly what you need to know about customizing and creating and managing your sprints boards on Monday.com. Trust you got so much value from this video. Thank you very much for watching.